What is up, you guys? It's your girl Bby Keee, and I'm back with another video for the channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. So today is March 20th and tomorrow is my friend Adela Mola's birthday. If you do not know her, here she is right here. She was in a couple of my videos, and this weekend is just a whole celebration for her because she deserves it. She's one of the most sweetest, nicest. She's just a ray of sunshine all around. And so, you know, we're gonna make sure we turn up for her birthday this week. Today we're going to the mall. It's 3:23 and I've been getting ready for like an hour or so, but I'm pretty much so done, and I'm about to head up there to her room so we can like go ahead and get a move on. I'm gonna give y'all a quick outfit check though. So first we're gonna start with these glasses. I love these glasses. First we have, where am I start? Okay, I guess I'll start with the glasses. So these glasses are from Route 21. That's where I used to work. Well, I work when I go back home. Route 21. This shirt is from Shein. It is part of a two-piece skirt set, but like it's a pretty cold, well, it's not cold, it's a little breezy outside, so I decided to put some pants on, which leads me to the pants, which are also from Route 21. They are flared out and they are ripped. My purse is thrifted. Make sure you baddies are balling on a budget, okay? It's just that simple. Also guys, I just did my hair like 2 nights ago. I started at 8 o'clock. When I started at 8 o'clock p.m. finished at 8 a.m. Kennedy did Mola. They helped part my hair and everything. Kennedy helped braid some of it or finish my braids. I love them. Sorry, I'm like so hyped for no reason. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead. I'm smacking my teeth a lot. I'm sorry guys. I'm gonna go ahead and head up to the room so we can get a move on to the mall, and we better bring y'all with us. Hey guys. Oh, you look so cute. Aww. Say hey to the birthday girl, boy. Hey, Mom.
My name's Adair. Hi, Zog. My name is Asia. Hey, can't see you, but you'll see me eventually. Yep.
I'm sitting over there on the couch. Get back, dude.
Cái che sao cái tay con nhỏ trước kìa ha. Let me see your nails. Okay. They're so cute. They are. I already washed my hands. Right. They were supposed to let you wash your hands. Oh, look on this second floor. Right. We finna find Kennedy, Adair, and Asia. And yeah. So guys, we just had to take the elevator because the Adela Mola's is scared of escalators. And so what? Talk about some, is it that deep? Yes, it's that deep. It's a death trap. Girl, no it's not. Oh my gosh, y'all, she crazy. I'm sorry, I'm twisting the camera. We are looking for them, but yeah. Is the crystal shop over there? I haven't been to the crystal shop, so I don't know. Make sure y'all get someone who gets y'all angles. You see how she looking out? She told her how to pose and everything. Get y'all someone like that. I feel like I'm glistening. I wish I had a flippy thingy to see myself, but I don't, but it's okay. I bet I am. Call you? Yeah.
The nail salon.
Ridiculous.
The nail salon was charging way too much. They did a good job. But damn, $80 for some nails?
You're right. These were like 70 and all it was is just a simple ombre and they're not even that long.
Right. Like
everything to oh, she's so cute. Yes, that's so cute. But yes, hers are 145. I mean, they're still cute in the end, so I ain't gonna complain that much. Come through, body. She's so cute. Internally screaming. What did she say? Firmly. Kids, this is not appropriate. If you're not above the age of 18, please exit or skip to the next clip. Okay.
because she ran away from us.
That's a pretty wall, by the way. Y'all ain't even gonna hold. It's long as hell. Look at this line. Look at that freaking line.
That's where I'm supposed to go.
Gosh, I want Chick-fil-A. A day to Mola wants Sarku.
Right.
Wait, let me close this door.
He said
I'm a Sakura. She wants Sarku, so now you shouldn't even order. I'm gonna sit right here at my Chick-fil-A. You gonna go? Okay. I love you. Okay. Got my food. Now we're waiting on our lift. We love fun activities. Take a look at the time for me. The mall closed 16 minutes ago. We're waiting on an Uber.
Not even waiting on an Uber because no one wants to drive us. So we just here.
We just existing and breathing. It's that simple. It's that simple. No, seriously.
Bro,
seriously, it's gonna be empty in here.
You got to throw them away.
She starts tripping. It's so cute. Mall after hours. This is fun. Hey y'all, so it's the next day. To sum up what happened yesterday, we were in the mall after hours because none of the Lyfts or Ubers were like available, and so we was there for like a good extra 30 minutes after the mall closed. And then when we did get an Uber, it was like a regular one because we was trying to get the XL ones, but like none of them were being found, so we had to get a regular one. And when the woman pulled up, she seen 5 of us and she pulled down her window. She was like,
y'all gonna have to order XL.
I'm like, ma'am, please, please, please. We've been trying back to back to back. Nobody is available, please. You're the only person that was like literally available. And she was so nice. She was like, all right, y'all can get in. I usually don't do this, but come on. I was like, shout out to you, homegirl. But yeah, so basically for the night, we just turned up, you know. We were just in Adita Mo's room leading into her birthday, which is today. So right now we're getting ready to go to this place called a cat cafe. I've never been, but apparently it's like a cafe with cats. And you get to play with the cats. It's $7 an hour. And personally, I am not a fan of cats. I like kittens. I'll deal with kittens. Cats is a no-go for me because cats, I don't like cats. They scare me, and no. So we're gonna go there, and then we're gonna go to this place called Fun Station. It's like an arcade, but it also has like go-karting, laser tag, and you know, games and stuff. So we're gonna go there after then, and then we're gonna come back and get ready to head to our dinner later on tonight. So I'm about to head up to our room right now because we all woke up pretty late. So right now it's 2:25, so I'm gonna head up there because I just finished getting ready.
Yes, you always ask. Hey, I can't get my shoes. Birthday bitch, it's your birthday bitch, it's your birthday bitch, it's your birthday bitch. Y'all. Bro, get them damn. Oh, it fell?
Guys, look at it. It fell? So cute.
Bro, you were
Ooh, is it you saucy?
Alright, so we finna go laser tagging. Alright, did y'all have fun? Y'all have fun? Y'all, guys, guess what? I won. Wait, I was the Joker. You see, Joker is number 1.
I was Raven.
No, I was
Most
Joker.
accurate.
I was Joker, but I got the most points.
Alright, you win.
Uh-huh.
But I still got an award.
Yeah, we second place.
Right.
The first to lose.
Right. Like,
Where today to Mola. But we still got all this to do, y'all. So much fun! We're about to do go-karting.
That boys like, comment, subscribe.
We're not. Oh, I would hope so. Okay, so now we're inside the arcade. Go-karting was really fun. I won. I don't care. I won. I did just play a game. I won my card a lot of times because it didn't look like it was going through. But it was, so I wasted like hella money on it. Yeah, I'm gonna record them playing.
Ooh, is it you saucy?
That's a high score. That's oh my god. His score. Damn. How you go outside like that?
It was a level of thinking.
They're shooting things.
Yeah, we gotta kill them.
How slow. Watch it through here. I want to play The Walking Dead, but they're playing it. I want to play The Walking Dead, but they're playing. Wait, they're gonna go. They're gonna go. Wait, no, they're not. Whoa, dang, never mind. The kids are there. The kids are there. The kids are there. They not. What you doing? You need a partner? Yeah.
So this is broken? No. Because if that shit was working, we have to get to the bottom.
This cheated me out. It said, you see, it says bonus balls total 1, which means I should have got my bonus ball.
Yeah, I swiped it twice.
Don't swipe it again. It's gonna keep giving you things.
It's gonna what?
Go keep taking money. Wanna play? We can play.
I only got 250 left.
I don't even know how much I got left. We're finna find out. 25 cents. I got $1. Okay. Sorry. Oh, hi. Hi. Kitty, kitty. Hi. Potato molars. Look at the cat. Y'all, I'm so scared right now. Look at the cat. They so slick. Did I just step on? Oh. Why are you eyeballing me? y'all remember how I said we were left in a mall yesterday?
More like that.
We're left again in the restaurant.
More long.
Brr, it's cold.
Let me give y'all a rundown of what's going on.
You so cute.
Thank you. We called a taxi, and the taxi pulled up and said it can't take this many people because there's cameras and stuff, and it gives protocol. So now we have to call the taxi shop again, but this time order 2 different cars, which is pretty excessive.
Mimi's table.
Because it's only like 5 of us, but it's dark outside. Like, we're in a dark alley. We're in an alley. It's dark. It's like dangerous out here. We're females. I got pepper spray.
Oh, you do?
I got pepper spray and a whistle.
I got heels. I can put it in somebody's eyes.
1307.
So, y'all make sure y'all have rides wherever y'all. Okay, we are boycotters of Lyft and Uber because this is their second night in the road doing this to us.
That's 9. That's 2. Whatever. I just want to go home.
Mom, I'm scared. And by the way, the restaurant locked us out. I forgot to say that. So we can't even go back in if we wanted to. Even if we wanted to. Alright y'all, I'm not even gonna lie, I am literally about to take a nap. I feel like today we have been on the go. So like, what happened first? We were supposed to go to the cafe first today, but then you apparently have to make reservations, and they do walk-ins, but the wait time was like so long. So we had to make reservations for 7. So then we decided to go to the station, the fun station first, and then come here, come here, change, then go to the cafe. I'm tired, I'm sorry. And then go to dinner. So yeah, I need a break, so I'm gonna take a nap. And in like 2.5 hours, I'm gonna go back up there with them, and so we can all do some homework together. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of this vlog. I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys wish her a happy birthday down in the comment section. And let me know what y'all want to see next on my channel. Bye. Bye.